In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add API key deploy Netlify from GitHub. We'll walk through creating a new project in Netlify, connecting it to GitHub, reviewing the essential build settings, and kicking off your first deploy. If you have a GitHub repository ready, you're set. Start on your Netlify dashboard and head to the projects section on the left. This is where all of your sites live. Click Add New Project to begin. Netlify will show a few ways to get started. You can build with an AI agent, which can scaffold a site for you, or you can upload a folder of static files if you've already compiled your site locally. For this walkthrough, choose Import a Git repository so Netlify can build and redeploy your site automatically when you push changes. Next, select GitHub as your provider. If this is your first time connecting GitHub to Netlify, you'll see an authorization prompt. Approve it so Netlify can read your repositories. If you're in an organization, make sure the correct access is granted. Granting only the repositories you need is a good practice. You'll now see a list of your repositories. Pick the one you want to deploy. Netlify will take you to a configuration screen where you can confirm details. Choose the appropriate team if you're part of more than one, and give the project a clear, recognizable name. This name helps you and your collaborators find the site later. Before deploying, review the build settings. Netlify can detect many frameworks automatically, but verify the build command and the publish directory match your project's setup. For example, many React apps use npm run build and publish from a build or dist folder. This is also where you'd manage environment variables such as API keys your app needs at build time. Rather than hard-coding secrets in your code, you'll reference them here so they remain secure and separate from your repository. Once the details look good, confirm everything and click Deploy. Netlify will queue your build, fetch the code from GitHub, run your build command, and publish the output. You'll be able to watch logs in real time, which is helpful for troubleshooting missing dependencies or incorrect paths. When the deploy finishes, Netlify assigns a live URL you can visit immediately. From there, every push to your repository's selected branch will trigger a new build and deploy automatically, keeping your site up to date without extra steps. That's the complete flow. Start a project, connect GitHub, confirm settings, and deploy. Follow along in your own dashboard and you'll have a live site in just a few minutes.